Okay, so already we completed 12 videos. How many we completed, ma? 12 videos we completed. How many lessons we completed? 3 lessons. Completely we completed the 3 lessons. What are those? First, ourself. What is that our lesson? First, ourself. Okay, next one is good habits. Our food. Okay, our food. Then the third one is the clothes we wear. So these 3 lessons we completed. We completed the 3 lessons. So are you followed the videos? Are you understand the lessons and everything? Are you understand? Okay. Are you doing the given homework regularly? You have to do the work what we are sending in the regularly the WhatsApp. We are posting the homeworks. Yes, yes, we have to do it. Then only we can understand how we understand the lessons. What we are explaining. Social I am explaining. Another teacher we are explaining maths. Another teacher Telugu. One teacher, science one teacher. We are all explaining to you all the lessons, all the subjects. Okay, everything you have to be carefully. You have to carefully watch it and just you can understand what we are saying and you can learn the homeworks what we are sending. Okay, children. Okay, now I will go to the next. So before that, I will ask you some questions. So now it is a COVID. So it's what the our government and everyone else, our officers and everyone are saying what to do. What to do? What to do? Ah yes, what they are saying. Where we have to stay? Where we have to stay? Yes, we have to stay at home. We have to stay at home. ఏమని చెప్తున్నారు? Stay home. Stay safe. Yes. Yes. Why? Because that is our home is giving protection from many things to us. Yes or no? So if it is raining, so it is raining, then where do you stay? Do you stay outside? No, you will stay at home only. Yes, we have to stay at home. Otherwise, if it is anywhere, if you feel very shy or if you will feel very fear, then where do you stay? Yes, it is safe to our home, stay at home. For everything, whatever the problem will be arise, for everything, it is safe for us to stay at home. Yes. So now, so our lesson is our sweet home. Yes, very good. So what is that? Our sweet home. Our today's lesson is our sweet home. Do you like your house? Yes, we like our house very much. Yes, we have to make it very clean, very tidy. Yes, yes, we like to see it beautifully. Also, we decorate with different flowers, different decorative materials and everything. Why? Because in any functions or occasions will come in, so we will decorate beautifully our house. Yes, so because we like our house, so we make us to be beautiful our house. What will think మనం ఏమనుకుంటాము అందరూ కూడా సూపర్గా ఉంది వీళ్ళు ఇల్లు అనాలి అని చెప్పేసి just we can think like that now. So that's why we make us our home very beautifully. Now we will see our home. What is our sweet home? Our sweet home. Okay, why the people and everyone are saying to stay home, stay safe? They are saying now. Why? See, why? The house is protecting us from many things. Yes, is the house will protect us from anything? Yes, it is protecting us from many things. See that. House from? Yes, a house is protected from. What is the first one? It is protected from heat. What is that? Heat. H-E-A-T. Heat. House is protect us from heat. Then after cold. C-O-L-D. Cold. House is protect us from heat. Then after cold. C-O-L-D. Cold. And rain. Rain. Next, what are that? Yes, animals. What is the next one? A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. And finally, thieves. T-H-I-E-V-E-S. Thieves. Already, I said in our class, we wear clothes now. So the clothes we wear. In that lesson, what I said, clothes protect us from what? Clothes protect now only the questions or question answers I said. What do the clothes protect us from? They also will protect us from heat, cold, rain, dust and insects. They will protect us from the clothes from this five. In the same way, house also, house protect us from, yes, here heat, H-E-A-T, heat, C-O-L-D, cold, R-A-N, rain, animals, so many animals is there in our surroundings. Is we can allow to enter in our house? Yes, if you leave our doors and gates, everything like that means they will come in our house. But better we will close everything and we will stay at home from the animals. And then thieves. If we leave our things as we like, then what will be happens? Thieves will or robbers will take the things and everything. If we will keep our valuable things and everything in our home, can the thieves will take it? No, it is not possible. So our house is protecting us from the heat, cold, rain, animals and thieves. Okay children, these are the house. Why do we need why? What is the importance of the house? Why we have to live in the house only? Why? Because of these things. We have to protect ourselves from these all, from the heat. We have to protect ourselves from the heat. Can we live in the shade of the trees? చెట్టు కింద ఉండగలమా? like animals లాగా చెట్టు కింద ఆ పక్కన ఉండగలమా మనము? No, we can't be stay like that. So we have to live in a house. So because to protect us from the heat, cold, rain, animals, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals and thieves. These five things we need. They need to us from that. Okay, houses are protecting us from that. These five things. Okay, children. Now I will show you that. So now we can see what is there in our house. Is there in the house. So just I will draw a house. Okay, this is our house. So what are the parts is there in our house? I will show you. To you. See that here I am drawing to you. See, this is our sweet home. Simply I draw like this. Okay. Okay. Simply I draw like this the house. See this one. See this. Okay. Here one veranda also is there. Okay. Veranda also is there. After that some steps also is there. Okay. So like that. This is our sweet home. And outer side one compound wall also is there. So to this one gate also is there. Okay. Okay. See, this is our house. See this. What are the parts of the house? What are the parts? So do you know what are the parts is there in our house? Parts of the house. Do you know that? Yes, I will show to you that. First, everyone you know. What is this one, ma? Yes, this is a door. And then this is what is this one? Window. Window. Okay. Next one. What is this? Roof. R-O-O-F. Roof. Okay. Next. What is the floor? F-L-O-O-R. Floor. Okay. Next, what is there here in most? This is a chimneys to come out the inside gas everything. Chimneys. Chimney. Okay. Next, what is this one? Compound wall. Compound wall. These are the some parts of a house. These are the some parts of the house. Just I will show to you that. Again, see clearly I will show. See, look children. Look children. Okay. Look children, see here. This is our sweet home. How it is to be? Very nice, na? Yes. This is our sweet home. So in this home, how many floors are there? 3 floors. Okay, 3 floors are there. Okay. So okay. Now see, 3 floors are there. See in these 3 floors, what are these? What are they? Here. What is this one? What is this one, ma? Yes, this is a door. Here see, here door, here is there. Here door is there. Here also door is there. So these are the doors. Then here what is this? Windows. Windows. A big window is there. So from the window we can look at outside. So here one is there, here is there, and here also is there. Okay, now next one. This is the roof of the house. Okay, roof of the house here. Okay, now next one. What is there? This is our compound wall. This is, see, look, our house surround one wall is there. This is our compound wall. Okay, now next, inside is there. That is the floor will be there inside. Floor is there, and so many rooms is there. Only one room will be there in our house. No, so many rooms are there. Okay, so rooms is there, floor is there inside of the house. Okay, this is our sweet home. Can I say again? See, look carefully children. One by one I will say to you. See, this is called compound wall. What is this? This is around the house. What is this? Called a compound wall. Okay, wall. So our see surrounding of our house. Then this is our sweet home. How many floors are there here? 3 floors. 1, 2, 3. 3 floors are there. So in these 3 floors, here in each floor, what is there? Yeah, doors and windows. This is called, what is this one? Door. This is the window. So here is also door is there and window is there. This is a door is there, window is there. Okay, this is a next here it is a our roof of the house. Upside a roof will be there. This is a roof of the house. Now this is a balcony. What is this? Balcony. To come out from the houses, and we can see that. Okay, we are not coming out. See, this is a balcony place. Okay, children. Now what is there here? One roof will be there, and inside of the rooms, floor will be there. Here in our this house surroundings, some garden also will be there. See, some garden also is there. Some place is there to plant the trees and everything, plants, and everything will be. So this is our sweet home. Okay, do you like to make it sweet? So make our home sweet, ma? Yes, everyone will likes to make our home very sweet home. We have to make it as. Okay, see now. So once again, can I show in the board? Yes, these are the chimneys. Clearly I am saying here the chimneys means the chimneys. See, that means what is the inside? They will cook some gas will be released. It will comes out from this chimneys. Waste gas will be comes out from this chimney. Next one, roof. This is the roof. We can say this. Top of the house. Top of the house. That is called a roof. This is the door. What is this? Door. See, I will show you. This is a door. Okay, children. This is a door. Next one. These are windows. See, windows. These are the windows. So the girls will see every house should be very clear to come the air and sunlight to our house. So that's it. See, these are the 3 windows are there here, and here the one. See, outside space is there. This is the floor. Inside of the house is there floor. This is the compound wall. This is the compound wall too, and everything. These are the parts of the house. These are all the parts of the house. Okay. Now, can I say again? See the spellings I will say. Once again, tell me the spellings. Here I am writing the parts what are there, and I am writing here. You can say chimneys. C-H-I-M-N-E-Y, chimney. Okay, C-H-I-M-N-E-Y, chimney. Roof, R-O-O-F, roof. Roof, parts of the house. Roof, R-O-O-F, roof. Next, floor, F-L-O-O-R, floor. F-L-O-O-R, floor. Next, door, D-O-O-R, door. Okay, D-O-O-R, door. Next, window, W-I-N-D-O-W, window. W-I-N-D-O-W, window. Next one is balcony. See, B-A-L-C-O-N-E-Y, balcony. Next one is B-A-L-C-O-N-E-Y, balcony. Next, compound wall. C-O-N-P-O-U-N-D, compound wall. W-A-L, compound wall. Okay, these are the, not only these, so many other parts also is there, but simply I am saying here, this is enough for you. This is enough for you to learn. Say again, once again, chimney, roof, floor, door, See that this is a simple house I ran it. We can stay in this bungalows and everything, some apartments we can live. In everywhere, where do you live? In which type of house? There are so many types of houses are there. Pakka houses are there, kacha houses are there. Okay, bungalows are there. See, everything is there. But in any house, these are the main parts of the house. Okay, children, these are the main parts of the house we have to learn. See again, chimneys, roof, floor, door, window, balcony and compound wall. Okay, I will say to you that this is the difference. See, I said this is the outside, what is the wall? This is the compound wall, windows, doors, chimneys, this is the roof, floor, okay, everything. So this is the continuation how we can how the houses will be constructed, what are the materials will be used, everything will be I will say in the next video. Okay children, bye.